These have all been doing really, really well. Thanks, sorry. Howdy folks, Mo here, Reselling Niche. I wanted to go through 15 used thrifted items that I sold. This is from basically the month of October. I like selling board games. This is Splendor. I'm not sure what it is, but it sold for $23.99 out the door. And I bought this for $1.99 at the Goodwill. This is a promotional shirt. I love picking up anything promotional for concerts of any kind and sporting events too. This is a Drake Assassination Vacation concert hoodie from 2019, so it's not very old at all. Had a big Austin Powers picture on the back of it there. And this one sold for $138.57. I bought this for, I believe, $4.99. I wasn't even sure if this was legit or not, but it sold, and I haven't got a return yet. A couple of items actually that I've had for a long time, maybe years. Two Sweetheart Tans Poupée vintage dancing dolls, if that's how you pronounce them. And they're from West Germany. Light, small little things. They sit around forever, like I said. Sold for $18.99 out the door. Happy to see them go because they've just been in my inventory for so long. I've been trying to get into comic books. This was something called Aerosmith, and it is a trade paperback, so it was like a thick book version. I think it was like 6 comics all combined into one. And I got this in a giant lot, had about 50 cents to $1 into this one. $27.78 out the door, including tax and shipping. Paid up for this one. I believe I paid $24.99 for this one. It was a vest, it had a logo on it. Patagonia does well, even if it has a company logo on it. This one sold for $93.79 out the door, and it was actually pretty light. It was less than a pound. Picked up a lot of Wizard of Oz ornaments. This is a vintage ornament, sold for $32.85. It's a Franklin Mint Wizard of Oz Professor Marvel figure. Diablo 1 and 2, I've sold this copy before, and it was from my old inventory. I'm not even sure what I paid for it. $57.99 out the door. And always look up those old PC games, but be sure to be careful about ones with keys, and I have a short that goes over why you want to be careful about anything that has a key, because if it's used, you could get a return. This is an Oakland A's pennant from 1981. Actually, it has a Hyatt logo on there as well. This one sold for $30.28. I had maybe $1 into this. I don't really like picking up Beanie Baby type stuff, but I got these for free. This is Lucky the Ladybug. It was brand new with tags, retired apparently. Sold for $32.42. Be really careful with Beanie Babies. Beanie Babies, McDonald's Happy Meal toys, Black Diamond VHS. These are all the types of things you want to be careful about. This is a promotional item that I got for free while we were actually at Bass Pro Shops, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago. It's a little dune buggy car thing, Jeep thing. So we didn't actually pay anything for it. It sold for $25, including tax and shipping. So, like I said, promotional stuff does well. Just make sure that you highlight the company that it comes from. It was missing half the box, but it's a Grenadier original Pancho Villa, a tequila Father's Day decanter. It's kind of an ornament, family ornament type thing. Sold for $17.69, and I have no idea what I have in this one. This is a head cover. Had $1.99 into this one. This one actually sold for $52.79. A lot of that was the shipping though, but head covers, they're super light, super easy to pack and store and ship. Another vintage Wizard of Oz ornament. This is a tree, another one from Franklin Mint. Sold for $42.64, including tax and shipping. I love picking up Lego, boxed or otherwise. This is just a base plate, 48 by 48. Had, I think, $1.99 into this one. Sold for $18.84. Just make sure that when you ship this type of thing that you support it, because it could crack very easily if you don't have some cardboard at least supporting it on the inside. I'm not even sure why it was given back to me, but sold for $55.85. Alfred Sun Forever Perfume. I don't do much perfume, but when I do, I like to make sure it's complete, or at least vintage in rocks. And that was it. 15 used thrifted items that you could find at pretty much any thrift store and sell for good profit on eBay. Until the next one, guys, have a good one. Bye.
Bye!